Hello all people, it's RAZDROB with you, and this is my first tutorial on English, so do not judge strictly please my accent. If there are any mistakes in pronunciation, then please forgive me. Okay, today's tutorial is how to make a neon-like text effect in Photoshop. Let's do it! Now open Photoshop and firstly we need a text. The next step is rasterize the text. Now merge the layers of our text. Next we go to the blending options and select the stroke. Make the stroke size about 3-4 pixels and select white color. Now we need to go to default blending options and reduce the fill opacity to 0. And rasterize layer style. Now go back to blending options and select stroke again. Size 3 pixels, color medium blue. Next we need an outer glow. Opacity 100%, size 9 pixels and very light blue color. And now we need shadows. Distance 12 pixels, spread 11% and size 5 pixels. Push OK and duplicate this layer. Now we return to the main layer of our inscription and exchange the parameters of outer glow and size 133 pixels. And finally I have a bonus for you. If you want to exchange the color of your text, you just need to go to Image, Adjustments and Hue Saturation and choose your color. So, we finished. Here's how you can easy and quickly make a neon effect in Photoshop. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel. Good luck!